I have just taken a small piece of tape and I am just securing it so that it will not move. Just I am making it so that it will not move. If you take the earrings means just for the, you will have the jump rings, right? For the jump rings you can do the same work. I am just showing it for a keychain because we'll have so many old keychains also. You can remove those old keychains and for that ring you can make this so that you can have a brand macrame keychain. So now I have taken that 50 centimeter cord. I have just folded, means I have just taken the two edges and I am folding it into half. Okay, what I'll do is just take it from the inside. Just I have kept that the folded half portion through the keychain. Okay, now the ends are there, right? Just I will pass through this loop. Here we have small loop, so I will just pass this ends through this loop. That's it. This is known as head knot, lark's head knot. In macrame we'll have so many knots. This is the basic of any macrame project and this we'll call it as head knot. So now we have another 10 pieces of 10 centimeter cords. Those also what you do is just at the edges you just hold it and fold it into half and you take two like that. So here I have taken two. Okay, now what you do is take one, just hold it, just keep it upwards and keep it one down, just the down of under these two cords. Okay, now take the other one and place it above. I have placed one down and one above. Now what you do is, here we have one loop, right? Through the loop you pull these two cords. Okay, and here also we have one loop. You can see here we have one loop. Through the loop just pull the two cords from down. Okay, so now what to do is just pull both and just make it as much tight as you can. You have to make it very tight because later with comb we will comb it so that at that portion it should not come off. So make it very tight. Pull these two cords as well. Pull all the cords and make the knot very tight. Okay, just the process will repeat it again. Just I have taken one more cord and I have folded it into half, and one more cord and I have folded it into half. The same process we will repeat, but now what we'll do is, for this one I have kept the left side cord. This is my left hand. This is my left hand. I have placed the left cord downwards and I have placed my right cord upwards. Okay, for this what I will do is just the reverse. I'll place in the right side, I'll keep it downwards, and here the left one I will keep it upwards. Okay, then we have loops, right? Just through the loops just take the two ends.